Hello, we're here live to tell you a story about a bird. This bird came in my window, landed on my printer, and encountered my pets. Now the bird lives in the end, so don't complain, because he makes it. In fact, he flies away, and this great song comes on as he flutters off into the sunset. It's a great ending. Watch this. No, don't chew on it. Release. Drop the bird. Come here. Come here, girl. Release. 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 Good girl. Leave the bird alone. Just flew into the house. Had the window open. Don't get it. Oh no, sit. Okay, birdie, you fly away. You have to leave. Don't catch the bird. No, Sadie. No. Come on, we'll let you go. Okay. There it goes. No, Sadie. No. Leave the bird alone. No. It just flew in the house. Nice birdie. Be nice to the bird. He's a little stunned. Sit, Sadie. Sit. Good girl. Alright. You need to fly away because your big dog about to eat you. Fly away. Poor thing. Did you wreck the bird? Okay, fly away. Go. He's like, what just happened? You crunched the birdie. Good girl. I don't think the bird's good. Well, we'll heal up the bird and we'll show you that we're going to release him. Seems to be doing way better now. You can fly away now. Go. Yeah, you go recover there for a while. Seems to be doing much better. What did you do? Now the bird's recovering. He's just sitting. Uh-oh. That bird has no chance with these animals around here. Oh, what am I going to do? I think he flew away, but the cat knows where it was. He was hanging out there recovering. Whoa, there it went. Now I had to get away from a cat. I didn't know it was in there. Look at that crazy animal. We're working as a team. Now we should have the dog get the cat. That'd be kind of fun.